Chalked paint is gonna change your life. Okay, your furniture. Let me show you all the secrets to using it in your home. Rust-Oleum chalked matte paint is an easy to use paint that dries velvety smooth with a matte finish. Chalked paint can be distressed to achieve that vintage look that will last. This special paint is ideal for wood, metal, glass, ceramic, canvas, and more. The first thing you want to do is spread out the drop cloth on the floor. Remove any of the hardware from the piece and remove any of the drawers. Sanding is not required with chalk paint, but it's always best to rough up the surface so the paint can adhere. If you sand, use a 200 grit sanding sponge. Once you're done, you're going to wipe that clean and make sure you let it dry for a few minutes. Another thing I love about Rust-Oleum chalked ultra matte paint is that it comes in 31 colors. I chose coastal blue for this desk. When you buy this from your local Ace, make sure to have them put it in a paint shaker for a few minutes. When you get home, it's always a good idea to give it a good stir so it reaches a consistent color. Using a 2 or 3 inch synthetic brush, apply the paint in long strokes across the piece. Paint in the direction of the wood grain, overlapping the wet edges. Since this desk is smaller, it's just easier to use a brush to paint it on. Most pieces will only take 1 coat, but you can apply a second coat after 30 minutes if it's needed. Allow to dry completely for at least 4 hours before putting it in place. Give your piece a top coat. Finish with a 2 or 3 inch synthetic brush, a new brush, not the old one you used, and let it set for at least another 4 hours before it's completely dry. To finish this piece off, replace the hardware. Make it look brand new. This transformation is stunning. But have you wondered what staining the process would look like on a desk? Keep watching. I took a table that I found at the curb and transformed it into a perfect piece with stain. That video is coming up next.